In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Microsoft Sway photo gallery. Whether you're looking to impress your colleagues or simply want to share memories with family and friends, Sway offers an easy way to create and share visually impactful presentations. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. Once you're online, type Microsoft Sway into the search bar and navigate to the official Sway website. It's a straightforward start, but an important one to ensure you're in the right place to manage your presentations. When you arrive at the Sway homepage, look for the Sign In button and go ahead and click it. If you have an existing Microsoft 365 account, you may notice that you're automatically logged in. This makes the process quicker and easier. However, if you're new to Microsoft 365, don't worry. You'll see an option to create one. Click that, and you'll be prompted to provide your email address, set a password, and fill out some basic information to establish your account. Next up, you'll want to open the particular Sway that contains your photo gallery. Once it's up, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll see a Share button. Clicking this is your gateway to deciding how and with whom you'll share your masterpiece. Now, let's take a moment to think about access. Microsoft Sway provides flexible options under Share Your Sway With. If you select Anyone with a link, your Sway becomes public. This means anyone with the link can view your gallery without needing to sign in. It's perfect if you're aiming for wide dissemination. You can even allow editing privileges with this choice, making it useful for collaborative projects. For a more controlled share, you can opt for specific people or groups. This option restricts access to only those you specify, requiring viewers to log in with their Microsoft account. It's a handy choice if you're managing sensitive information or simply wish to keep a close circle. There's also the option for those in your organization with a link, designed for work or school accounts. This limits access to the gallery to others within your organization, ensuring that your professional updates stay within the necessary network. Once you've chosen your preferred settings, decide whether to allow view only or edit permissions. This empowers you to control how your viewers interact with your content. Finally, you will be presented with a URL, which is the key to your gallery. Simply copy this link and paste it into an email, a message, or any other method of communication you find convenient. And just like that, your photo gallery is ready to be shared with the world in the manner you see fit. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has illuminated the simple yet powerful sharing capabilities of Microsoft Sway. Happy sharing!